Solar power making a big splash in Nigeria. In the past month at Retailhubsolarng, we've been helping people all over the country, all over Nigeria switch to solar power. It's like a big upgrade for homes and businesses. For example, a fish farm in EPE was spending a ton of money on pumping water. But now with their new solar system, they are saving a whopping 30,000 naira every 2 days. We have helped a cool office in Agege. They used to have problems with power going out, but now with solar, they can work non-stop without worrying about generators or noisy interruption. In rural areas like obàjana, Kogi State, people are seeing the benefits of solar power. It's bringing a brighter future to families there. In Retailhubsolarng area of Lagos State, we've helped a gym get a solar system. Now athletes and artists can train and get into shape without worrying about power outages. Last weekend, we just installed a big 6 kilowatt solar system for a family in Festac and The kids are so excited. It's like we're helping one family at a time win big with solar power. Want to learn more? To get your own solar system, contact us today on 070-6932-4162. At Retailhubsolarng, we got you covered.